carry on, but yet still on carry on upon the local homosexual creatives them. But make a overseas person a going to some kind of contract or dealing. We take that. One is so hypocritical. What make you so hypocritical in the business? Nobody else now got talk, but me a talk and me no business. One is so hypocritical in the business. What the big thing about homosexual and Jamaica? What?
Just vibes radio. My viewers, subscribers, we have a few topics we want to talk about real quick. You get me, I'll settle the score once and for all. Last time I'm going to cover this topic, even if it continue or prolong. But peeps, if it's your first time here, share, subscribe now to the bell icon to turn on your post notification as usual. So the whole community is coming down on Ding Dong Ravers for denouncing Silent Ravers from the Ravers crew. Also, Silent Ravers give his 2 cents as to what really happened. You get me, peeps. So we'll talk about it all. Ensure you watch out the video till the end, because I don't want you guys miss any important part. And I will say something at the end of this video that will actually have a lot of persons wondering. Now, my people, let's first talk on the Ding Dong situation. So look at my people. Watch you know. You know say Ding Dong went on the live with Footer Hype about a night ago, and they were talking about the situation. So Footer Hype was saying, well, Footer Hype asked Ding Dong, yo, is Silent a part of the crew same way? You get me? So Footer Hype, so Ding Dong basically say, no, he's not. Right? He's not a part of the group anymore. We saw where Silent actually disabled his account. Now we see a few persons from the gay community coming out and saying that it's fair for Ding Dong to actually denounce Silent from the group. Now, my people, as usual, you know, I come and I give my opinion. You get me? Whether I don't want meds it or whether it won't make sense to you or not, that's just me. I always come give my opinion. So that's a basic way it happen, my people. So people basically a bash Ding Dong Ravers now for what him do. You see it like a whole heap of people. You get me? Me not even know so them people even exist. Now, me not come here for say who wrong from who right. So this is my opinion. Alright, so let's compare the situation with the constable. We all saw where the constable had lost his job. Why did the constable lose his job or lost his job? You think it was the mere fact that he was actually doing something or was caught in an compromised position with an next female? You think that was the reason why he had lost his job? No. Let me tell you something. The main reason why, and we all would know, the main reason why the constable lost his job was because he was in his uniform. You get me? And that is not something that that kind of behavior or manner is not something that the JCF want to tie themselves with. However, as I said in a previous video, and I can't believe say YouTube actually removed the video, they must say harassment or bullying or whatever. But anyways, I say if him deny marina or not in a uniform, JCF wouldn't come and address the situation, even when we did know say him in the Jamaica force. You get me? It wouldn't be a problem. Now let's look at the Ravers thing now, right? Let's say we heard that this man was gay. We never seen a video. We just hear say him gay, or video out there but it never come out in the public. You get me? And then Ding Dong choose to kick him out of the crew, as the people say, because clearly Ravers say I him leave. But let's say Ding Dong just did hear and kick him out of the crew. Then we could have actually argue say, yo, Janu, a foolishness you're doing, brother, like what that, you see it. Then you couldn't say, yo, him actually have an agenda. But my people, Ding Dong himself is a brand. Ravers group is actually a brand, if you don't know. You get me? And you see, because it's an individual, you can say all and one, but nah, see nobody actually attack the JCF or argue or object as to why the JCF fired the constable. But everybody is quick to say, yo, Ding Dong, you're wrong. If the man are gay, you shouldn't that. We understand we not have a problem if a man want big hair or what. That's a fame business. Them can do what them want. It's a free country. But it's the mere fact that the way or the manners to how everything happen. If it go viral, if it is everywhere, that's not something you want to be tied to. You get me? That is not something you want actually tie down to your brand. It's not the mere fact say the man gay. It's the mere fact say yo the thing a circulate all over the place in a viral video. It's now public. You get me? So now if you understand them things here, I don't really understand how people quick fix can give them opinion. It's not even factual. And an individual matter, but afraid to actually object the bigger heads them whenever them do them foolishness. Even though I say by firing this constable was stupidity because it makes sense in uniform. You get me? Same thing for the female flight attendant, JetBlue fire. You get me? Same way if you're at an high school and you get catch in a sex tape. You believe say yo because you get catching at the sex tape, that's why them fire you. No, you're in your uniform. You represent them brand. You get me? In a matter. Could have 2 female, 2 man, in a matter. Same thing for the Ding Dang Ravers situation. It's the brand. It's the brand we are talking about. We don't care when nobody want to do. Now come here, come actually talk against homosexuals or whatever in a business. Everybody free to do. I don't hear me come say it many times. Everybody free to do what they want to do. You get me? Now, if Ding Dang really and truly have an agenda, then me nah come talk about that still. But it's his crew, man free to do what he want to do. Why people make it look like say yo, I'm the first person to make a decision like that. You see, but my viewers subscribers, me don't even really want to talk about it no more. You get me? Like, me give my 2 cents. The next thing I really want to talk about still. Now I have to be careful with my choice of words because me not really too want, you get me, as YouTube not play. You know what them say me harass nobody or whatever. So
like person say me they for pay them $1,000 US. Like $1,000 US. Like people are 2 times. My house burned up like 2 times. You see what I say? So how me if I give somebody what me don't know say $1,000 US for me and them do something with me don't know. Ding never say I'm not a part of Ravers and nobody never say yo we get kicked out. Me disabling my page and just my mates. You see it? So all who talk, all who this, all who start. At the end of the day, we just did have to get out certain things. You see me? And whosoever said that person ever try to fuck up my life, just goes for them time I come. You see style?
Silent Ravers come on, as I can hear him give him 2 cents and him explain what happened. He must have somebody a charge him what? Must be 1,000 US or so. You say yo, give me this and me don't leak the video. You see me? Yo, you're free for do what you want to still. Me not think you really owe nobody an explanation still. You see it, and even if you did, which you are not, you get me? That's where you come talk, brothers. Just don't make no sense. You see it? Because you are actually you're thinking that you owe us an explanation, but you come and attack rubbish same way. You see it? Because you only come attack see you people as you have to pay them or some go leak video or whatever. Up to now you don't adjust since you claim say you owe us an explanation. You still never come talk if are you not the video or why you not the video or whatever, cause clearly you think you owe you an explanation. But yet still you think it was okay if you come talk as to what really happened, why the video go viral. We don't really care why the video go viral. People just concerned say what really are going this up. You see me? But as me said, everything and for everybody. You do your thing, we do your thing. You see me? We live in a world right now where you can't do business about people. You can't really make a man make you lose sleep. You see it? Like we don't have to know them things. You see it, my general, but hope you're alright in your mental space still and you know commit no suicide or not think no suicidal thought. You get me? Because we are human beings. Just do your thing, brother. And You see me? That's all me have to say my viewers, subscribers. But more to the comment in the comment section below. What you think? What you personally think? More your opinion in the comment section below. Until next time, just vibes radio. I'm out.